आगमन हो चुका है। कृपया आप सभी अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। कृपया हमारे मुख्य अतिथि का तालियों से स्वागत करें। हम कुछ ही देर में कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करेंगे। दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं। We request you all to kindly rise and welcome them with a huge round of applause. Please remain standing for our college anthem. Thank you everyone. Kindly be seated. गिरते हैं शह सवार ही मैदान में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चलते हैं। Good morning one and all. Aasmaan 3.0 is not just about competition, but also about the unrelenting Xaverian spirit, passion and sportsmanship. मैं मनस्वी BBA प्रथम वर्ष की छात्रा हमारे कॉलेज के द्वारा आयोजित इस एक दिवसीय खेल समारोह में आप सभी का अभिनंदन करती हूँ। अतिथि देवो भव। We are honored to have with us our chief guest, Mr. Sudhanshu Kumar, Senior IPS Officer of the 1996 batch, who is currently serving as the Additional Director of General Traffic. Sir, we are truly honored to have you with us here. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. I also welcome Reverend Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., our Rector, Reverend Father Dr. Martin Porras S.J., our Principal, Reverend Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., our Vice Principal, cum Guide of Sports Committee and member of Xavier family. May we now request Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., our Rector, to kindly felicitate our chief guest with a memento. Next up, we have the torch relay that symbolizes strength, determination, and above all, the undying spirit of sportsmanship. And for this, we invite Chair, Sports Committee, Dr. Farhan Khalid, to flame the torch and hand it over to our Honorable Chief Guest. Thank you, sir. मैं अब अपने मुख्य अतिथि महोदय से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे मशाल को आयुषी झा को देकर आज के इस कार्यक्रम की औपचारिक शुरुआत करें। आयुषी झा, Vice President of Student Council, has represented our college in volleyball match at IIT and BIT Patna. She has also achieved the first position in 800-meter race and in relay race. कृपया उनका तालियों से जोश बढ़ाते रहें। As we can see, Ayushi is fast approaching towards Rohit. Rohit Singh, Sports Secretary. He is also the captain of our football team. Our college team won the football match at IGIMS and was runner-up at IIT Patna under his captaincy. He has also won gold in discus throw and long jump in Asman 1.0 and 2.0.
आगे से तेज चल।
अमन कुमार शॉ, कमांड इंस्ट्रक्टर, मार्च पास्ट की तैयारी करते हुए। सीनियर संस्था स्टूडेंट प्रेसिडेंट कॉलेज के ध्वज को लिए करते हुए। आत्मविश्वास के साथ अमन और जूनियर अपने साथी शुभम कुमार, सेक्रेटरी स्टूडेंट कैबिनेट, प्रिया कुमारी, ट्रेजरर स्टूडेंट कैबिनेट के साथ मैदान में आगे बढ़ते हुए। जोश के साथ हमारे अतिथियों की ओर बढ़ते हुए हमारे पांचों विभाग के प्रतिनिधि। Raj, Department of BBA, is leading his team. Rahul Kumar, Department of Computer Application की अगुवाई करते हुए और अपने साथियों के साथ अतिथियों को सलामी देते हुए। अब डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स से उज्ज्वल अपने डिपार्टमेंट को लीड करते हुए और अपने साथियों के साथ अतिथियों को सलामी देते हुए। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस की रिया कुमारी अपने डिपार्टमेंट का नेतृत्व करते हुए और अपने साथियों के साथ अतिथियों को सलामी देते हुए। अब पत्रकारिता एवं जनसंचार विभाग के आशुतोष रंजन अपने विभाग का नेतृत्व करते हुए और अपने साथियों के साथ अतिथियों को सलामी देते हुए। बहुत ही मनोरंजक दृश्य। अब हमारे पांचों विभाग के प्रतिनिधि आगे की ओर बढ़ते हुए। Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, all the departments have assembled at their marked places and are getting ready for formation drill. This is where rhythm meets precision and teamwork creates magic. अब हमारे पांचों विभाग के प्रतिनिधि वापस जाते हुए।
परेड फॉर्मेशन।
कृपया इन सभी का तालियों से जोश बढ़ाते रहें। Participants are assembling at their marked places. Please join us with your applause. Father Dr. Martin Porus S.J., Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., Dr. Farhan Khalid, and Mr. Satya Prakash Narayan, our coach member of Sports Committee, Ms. Priyanka Singh, to kindly release the pigeon, the symbol of peace, harmony and freedom, and inaugurate the event officially. देवियों और सज्जनों, ये कबूतर शांति और सद्भावना का प्रतीक है। कृपया तालियों से इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करें। Now, I invite Zubia Shahid of BCP second year, who is Deputy Sports Secretary, to administer the oath to the participants.
Good morning, everyone. Kindly rise, everyone. I request everyone to kindly rise. Kindly raise your right hand for pledge and repeat after me. We, the athletes of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, swear that we will take part in our colleges annual sports meet, respecting the rules and regulations which govern sports. We will participate in it with sportsman spirit for the honor of our college and for the glory of sports. Thank you.
Thank you, Zubia. Everyone, kindly be seated. Our chief guest to kindly address the gathering and bless our athletes to give their very best.
I declare start of the event. Good morning, Reverend Rector, Reverend Principal, all the students and staff of this college. I'm delighted to be here on this occasion. I didn't know that this institute is having such a beautiful campus out here in the midst of the city, and I'm really surprised. I want to congratulate you for getting the university status. In fact, in the last cabinet meeting, I was told about that by Reverend Principal. I exhort you to set a standard of excellence in whatever stream you are following here, and on this occasion of your annual sports day, I exhort you to show real sportsman spirit, because that is, sports is basically a microcosm of the whole life, and what you do here in sports, roughly the same thing happens in life with you. So important is participation, important is sportsmanship, important is the sense of competition, and loss and win is not at all important. So with this spirit, you should take part in your annual sports and in your life as well. I congratulate the college, in fact, for holding such type of events in your calendar year, because we all talk about promoting sports, but we hardly do anything about it. So the first level, if we consider, are the children or the students who are taking part in the sports event. The second layer is obviously the society, the parents, the teachers or the institutions where they are studying. They should also contribute towards creating a sustainable environment for sports events. And the third layer, I would say, is the government, which has got a role in promoting different infrastructures for the promotion of sports. So with this, I once again congratulate you for holding this beautiful event. I'm happy to be here, and I wish you all the success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement and motivation. तो आइए इसी के साथ हमारे वार्षिक खेल महोत्सव आसमां के तीसरे संस्करण की शुरुआत करते हैं। मैं दर्शकों से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से हमारे प्रतिभागियों का उत्साह वर्धन करें और उनका मनोबल बढ़ाते रहें।
And आप सभी का स्वागत है इन एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे आसमान 3.0।
तो स्वागत करें जोरदार तालियों से। आज की जिम्मेदारी हमारे कंधों पर है, क्योंकि माइक भी हमारा, मैदान भी हमारा और कमेंट्री भी हमारी।
Starting on with the event, first we have 100-meter girls category. I request all the finalists in 100 meters to kindly assemble near the starting point.
जी हाँ, सारे फाइनलिस्ट से अनुरोध है कि वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आ जाएं और आज के फाइनलिस्ट है 100 मीटर गर्ल्स।
And there they are, like
तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए
crossing the track. Look at the speed, blink and you might miss it. Here they go. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए everyone. Anshuman Khan, BCA 2, Ashish Lakra, BBIB 2, Nilesh Tiwari, BBA 3, Prem Chandra, BBA 1, Rohit Singh, BCA 3, Saif Ahmed, BAJM, and here they go with lightning bolt speed, running to their hearts out. We have Rohit Singh leading the race, and here they are. Let's give a huge round of applause, everyone. We have the prize distribution, and for that, I request all the table tennis winners in the male category. I request all the table tennis winners in the male category to kindly come near the victory stand.
अंकित कुमार, BBA IB, नीलेश तिवारी, BBA 3A। जोरदार तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए।
I also request the inter-department table tennis boys winners in doubles to kindly come near the victory stand. The names are Mayur Kumar, BBA 2A, Nilesh Tiwari, BBA 3A. Let's give a huge round of applause for the winners, everyone.
Inter-department table tennis boys डबल के विनर मयूर कुमार और नीलेश तिवारी से अनुरोध है कि वो विक्ट्री स्टैंड के पास पहुंचकर अपना सर्टिफिकेट ग्रहण करें। चेस टूर्नामेंट बॉयज कैटेगरी के विजेता रोहन राज और रोहित शरण से निवेदन है कि वो विक्ट्री स्टैंड के पास पहुंचकर अपना सर्टिफिकेट ग्रहण करें।
I request all the inter-department chess boys category, Rohan Raj, BCA 2 and Rohit Sharan, BCA 3 to kindly come near the victory stand. Thank you to the chief guests,
Amit Vikram and Anshu Kumar to come near the victory stand. The names of the winners are Roshni Kumari, BBA 1, Astha Kumari, BBA 2 and Manvish Fatima, BBA IB 2. You are instructed to assemble near the victory stand.
हमारे विनर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां।
Up next, we have prize distribution for discus throw in male category. Name of the winners are Rohit Singh from BCA 3, Amit Vikram from BBA 1 and Anshu Kumar Singh from BCA 3. Roshni Kumari, BBA 1, Astha Kumari, BBA 2 and Manvish Fatima, BBA IB 2.
You are requested to assemble near the victory stand to receive your medals and certificates. I request the participants of 200-meter race female category to kindly assemble near the starting point. Once again, 200-meter race in female category. All the participants are instructed to assemble near the starting point. The name of the finalists are Amisha Rai, BBA IB 3, Ayushi Kumari, BBA 3, Juni Marandi, BCP 3, Sakshi Soren, BCA 1, Shweta Kumraj, BCA 2, Riya Kumari, BBA IB 2, Riya Prakash, BBA IB 2, and Jyoti Darshan, BBA 3. (200-meter race male category). The finalists are instructed to assemble near the starting point. Congratulations to all the winners for their exemplary performance in various sports events. (200-meter race in male category), and for that I instruct all the finalists to kindly assemble near the starting point. Ajay Singh, BCA 1, Animesh Gid, BCP 1, Ashish Lakra, BBA IB 2, Ephraim Varghese, BCA 1, Mayank Kashyap, BBA IB 3, Ranveer Singh, BAJMC 2, Utkarsh Raj, BBA 1, and Vikalp Xavier Kujur, BCP 1.
To champions rise no matter the time. It's not just the trophy, not just the fame. It's the courage to play, the love for the game. And our finalists are ready on the track. And they are off. Here they go, racing their hearts out.
हमारी ऑडियंस का जोश ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए, प्लीज तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए।
और हमारे फाइनलिस्ट
चोरों से कम है के
200-meter race in male category to assemble near the starting point. The name of the finalists are Ajay Singh, BCA 1, Animesh Gid, BCP 1, Ashish Lakra, BBA IB 2, Ephraim Varghese, BCA 1, Mayank Kashyap, BBA IB 3, Ranveer Singh, BAJMC 2, Utkarsh Raj, BBA 1, and Vikalp Xavier Kujur, BCP 1.
was full of motivation and
बहुत जोश दिख रहा है। सारे खिलाड़ी अपने जुनून के साथ,
लोगों में जुनून और उत्साह के साथ, हमारे धावक, हमारे छात्र और इसी के साथ विशाल कुमार गुप्ता, BCP 3, जय सिंह, BCA 3, तेज प्रताप तिवारी, BBA 2, to kindly assemble near the victory point. The winners of long jump in male category.
a huge round of applause for all the winners standing on the victory stand.
The winners of long jump in male category names are Prem Chandra from BBA 1. The winners of long jump in female category are Sarita Kumari, BBA IB 3, Shweta Kumraj Sinha, BCA 2, and Sakshi, BBA 2. You are requested to assemble near the victory stand. Prize distribution for inter-department basketball tournament in male category. Prabhat Raj, Utkarsh Raj, Ronak Singh, Rahul Kumar, Harsh Kumar, Amit Vikram, winner of the inter-department basketball tournament in male category. The winners are instructed to assemble near the victory stand.
Winners का जोश बढ़ाते हुए I request everyone to put a huge round of applause.
The winners in inter-department basketball tournament in female category, BBAIB. The winners are requested to assemble near the victory point. All the winners of inter-department basketball tournament in female category are instructed to assemble near the victory stand. Name of the winners are Gazala, Priya, Suhani Kumari, Muskan, Amisha, Sarita Kumari, Riya and Mavish Fatima. Up next, we have 4x100 meter relay race in male and female category. I instruct all the participants of 4x100 meter race male category to kindly assemble near the starting point. और ये सज्जा सर इशारा देते हैं और ये हुई रेलवे रेस शुरू with the sound of the clappers.
क्या जबरदस्त कोऑर्डिनेशन है।
And here goes the final round for the 4x100 meter race in male category. And with this BCA department won the race, taking a huge lead. Congratulations to all the winners. और ये 4x100 फीमेल रेस शुरू हुई।
दिखला जो जिंदा है
मेहनत के दम पर हम तो ये सारा जहां जीत रहे हैं। ये तो सिर्फ पदक जीतने की बात है, पदक जीतने की बात है। लड़कियां आजकल हर जगह लड़कों की बराबरी कर सकती हैं। Rajneesh Kumar, Mihir Khan, Pranay Kumar and Ayush Singh of BBA. The winners of inter-school football tournament are instructed to assemble near the victory stand. Ayush Aryan Bhanraj, Nishya Anand, Abhijit Kumar Singh, Ayush Kumar, Anugrah Toto, Alok Kumar Singh, Prem Chandra, Ujjwal Raj, Harsh Thakur, Abhishek Taman, Rajneesh Kumar, Mihir Khan, Pranay Kumar and Ayush Raj. You are instructed to assemble near the victory stand to receive your award and certificate.
और उनके नाम है आर्यन भंडार, निश्चय आनंद, अभिजीत कुमार सिंह, आयुष कुमार, अनुराग टोपो, आलोक कुमार सिंह, प्रेम चंद्र, उज्जवल राज, हर्ष ठाकुर, अभिषेक कुमार, रजनीश कुमार, मिहिर खान, प्रणय कुमार और आयुष सिंह।
Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to all of you. Relay race in 4x100 meters from BCC, Sarita Kumari, Asha Ray, Ronak Raj and Ashish Raj from BBAIB and Aditya Singh, Pallavi, Saif Ahmed and Ranveer Singh from BAJMC.
मैं सारे फाइनलिस्ट से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो अपनी अपनी जगह ले लें। रेस पर शुरू ही होने वाली है हमारे दौर।
शुरू हुई। वाह क्या दृश्य है।
अब देखते हैं कि जीत का ताज कौन आज ले जाता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। धीरे
धीरे धीरे अपने रोमांच की स्थिति की ओर आता हुआ और अपने अंत की ओर आता हुआ। अब देखते हैं ये जीत का सेहरा किसके सर से बांधता है। और ये
क्या शानदार दौड़ थी।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। The winners of inter-stream Carom tournament are Ankur Raj, Ajit Kumar, Jai Singh and Rohit Singh of BCA 3. You are instructed to kindly assemble near the victory stand. The names are Ankur Raj, Ajit Kumar, Jai Singh and Rohit Singh. I repeat, all the finalists of tug of war in male category are instructed to assemble near the arena. Thank you so much for the administrators. Aditya, Prateek Emmanuel Min, Sunny Kumar Singh, Shubham Kumar, Vivek Raj, Manuraj Barnawal, Rohit Singh and Anshu Kumar Singh from BCA. Up against them, we have Sahil Victor, Kumar Divyang, Himanshu Singh, Kumar Abhijit, Pratham Kumar, Shashwat Narayan, Roshan Kumar, Krish Kariwal, Lokesh Kumar, Harsh Raj, Aman Kumar Rao, Arnav Rudra from BCP1. As we await for the next sporting round, which is a tug of war match, the first round.
The participants from both the teams are ready to begin the tussle. The tussle of strength. They are about to display the tussle of strength and determination. Both the teams are ready. The Department of BCA holds the rope from Tarumitra end, whereas the Department of BCP is holding the rope from Gyanpat end. And with this, the match begins. Both the teams are showcasing best of their efforts. They are putting best of their efforts, and they are trying to pull each other. As of now, it seems to be a 50-50 match between both the teams. The BCA department had initial lead, but the BCP boys are pulling hard, but no. The BCA boys are putting up all their efforts, and they draw the baseline. The BCA boys have won the first round of tug of war. Congratulations to the winners. All the students kindly vacate the ground.
Yes. Tightly hold the rope, don't pull it. After the whistle only you pull it. Okay. Are you ready? This side ready? Okay.
अजीत भारती की राज्यों के साथ वर्ल्ड टग ऑफ वॉर की शुरुआत हुई।
The match starts, and initially it looks like the BCA department has taken the lead, where the BSMC girls are fighting hard. The BCA department girls, they had drawn the BSMC department to almost the finishing line. But BSMC girls are picking up a few, but it looks like the BCA department has
run towards the end line. 400 मीटर रेस फीमेल कैटेगरी की प्रतिभागी The girls have just completed the first round, that is 200 meters out of the 400 meter track.
तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, जोरदार तालियां बजाएं।
और अब ये रेस अपने रोमांटिक सिटी की ओर पहुंचता हुआ और धीरे धीरे अब अपने अंत की ओर सिमटता हुआ हमें दिख रहा है। And with this, Jia Kumari of BCA secured the first position in 400-meter race. Congratulations to Jia and all other winners. For all the participants, kindly collect your food coupon from Sumit sir. Up next, we have 400-meter race in male category. Animesh Gill from BCP1, Vikas Xavier Kapoor from BCP1, Anugrah Topper from BBA1, Jai Singh from BCA3, Mihir Khan from BBA2, Mayank Kashyap from BBA-IB3, Ronak Raj from BBA-IB3 and Ravid Pratap Singh from BCP2.
बस अब कुछ ही देर में शुरू होने वाली है 400 मीटर रेस मेल कैटेगरी में।
सारे खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर इस समय बिल्कुल जोश में हवा के साथ बातें करते हुए अपने मंजिल की तरफ आ रहे हैं और उन सबका उत्साह और जोश बिल्कुल इस समय चरम सीमा पर हमें दिख रहा है। सबकी मंजिल एक ही है कि जीत हमारी होनी चाहिए और इसी उम्मीद में वो सब दौड़ रहे हैं। अब देखते हैं जीत किसकी होती है। ये काफी टक्कर का मुकाबला चलता हुआ और अब ये गेम अपने एकदम रोमांटिक एकदम मोड़ पे आ गया और ये देखते देखते ये गेम की समाप्ति हुई। बिल्कुल टक्कर का मुकाबले का माहौल है। The BCA boys have maintained the lead. The BCA boys have won the round and have won the Togo Boys title in male category. Congratulations to BCA boys. Up next, we have prize distribution for 200-meter race in male and female category. 200-meter race in male category, Vikal from BCP, Utkarsh Raj from BBA-1B and Animesh Gill from BCP kindly assemble near the victory stand. 200-meter race in female category, Jyoti Darshani, Riya Kumari and Riya Prakash kindly assemble near the victory stand to receive your medal and certificate. Up next, we have prize distribution for inter-department table tennis tournament singles in female category. The winners are Suhani Kumari Gupta and Pallavi Kumari. Inter-department table tennis tournament winners kindly assemble near the announcement area. Congratulations to all the winners of various categories, sports categories. Kindly assemble near the victory stand. 4x100 meter relay race mixed category. The winners are instructed to assemble near the victory stand to receive their medals and certificates. The names are Rohit Singh, River Hunt, Isha Kumari and Shweta from BCA. Mihir, Ayushi, Jyoti Darshini and Anugrah Topper from BBA. The winners of 4x100 meter mixed category, the winners of 4x100 meter female category kindly assemble near the victory stand to receive your medal and certificate. Congratulations to all the winners of 4 into 100 meter relay race. I request all the winners of 4 into 100 meter relay race in mixed category as well to assemble near the victory stand to receive their medals and certificates. Winners of tug of war in male category. The name of the team members are Priyank, Piyush Raj, Aryan Anand, Sadiq Alam, Aditya, Prateek Emmanuel Min, Sunny Kumar Singh, Shubham Kumar, Vivek Raj, Manraj Barnaral, Rohit Singh and Anshu Kumar Singh. Congratulations to all the winners. Kindly assemble near the victory point. I request Dr. Farhan Khalid, Chairperson of Sports Committee, to hand over the certificates and medals to the winners of tug of war in male and female categories.
The tug of war runner-up, the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
Department of DSJMP students, kindly assemble near the victory stand to collect their medals and certificates. Meanwhile, the winners, the runner-up of tug of war male category, the BCT Boys, kindly assemble near the victory stand to receive your medals and certificates.
To the runner-up of tug of war female category, the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
Awesome show set up by the students of the Xavier College of Management and Technology on occasion of ASMA 3.0, our annual sports day organized by the Xavier College of Management and Technology. The students have displayed some exemplary performances in various sporting events, showcasing a promising future ahead. The ending of the program, we have one surprise element for all of you. Up next, we have a special game planned for the faculty members, the members of management and staff. आंखों पे पट्टी बंधी रहेगी। हमारे वॉलंटियर आपको राउंड घुमा के किसी भी डायरेक्शन में छोड़ सकते हैं। आपको अपने एक्सप्लोरर्स को, नेविगेटर्स का काम ये है कि अपने एक्सप्लोरर्स को बताते रहना है लेफ्ट राइट, ताकि वो ये ऑब्स्टेकल्स पार करके डायरेक्ट सेफली यहाँ तक पहुँच जाए। हमारे पास दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से मेंटेनेंस स्टाफ से 2 टीम आ चुकी है। तीसरी टीम